Hi, today you will learn how to change saturation of video in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video, and if we want to edit it, we need to drag and drop this video to our timeline. And after that, we need to select this video. And now I will change position of this indicator to the start. And then we need to click on our video and we need to go to Effects tab. Now on search field, we need to type saturation, and then you will be able to find this option in the color and image correction settings. So now I need to drag and drop this saturation effect to our video, and after that it will be successfully displayed in the effects and composition stack tab. So now I can increase or decrease saturation, everything depends on your preferences. Then the effect will be visible here. So now if I will play this video, I may see that the effect has been successfully applied to my video and my clip. So it is how it works. If I helped you to increase or decrease saturation of video in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.